Can y'all two girls see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Are we ready, guys? Yep. All right. Let's see. We're going to do our vowels. A, E, I, O, and U. Good job. All right. Now we're doing our high frequency words. Clean, fill, ground, horse, leave, need, please, queen, scene, tree. All right, so here's our spelling words. And remember, we're not having a spelling test this week because we're having our unit test, right? Our module test. So that's the one where we go into our iPads and take the test. And you know how Miss Fullington reads you the test and then you answer the questions on your iPad? So we're going to do that Friday, okay? Yeah, we've done it before. You can. All right, here's our spelling words. Free, teach, teeth, please, each, wheel, team, speak, sneeze, sheep. Good job. All right, so now we are going to count syllables or blend syllables. So today we're going to practice blending syllables to say some longer words. So it says, listen as I do one. Reason. So if I put those two syllables together, what is my new word? Reason. The word is reason. It is your turn. So let's blend the syllables to say the word. The syllables are sweater. What is the word? Sweater. Good job. All right. Let me keep going. All right, so let's practice some more. Seaside. So that's the word, the whole word. What is seaside? Seaside, it means like on the seaside, you're on the side of the sea. Oh. So your view is basically you're viewing, so the sea is on the side of you on this side while you're looking at land on this side. So that's seaside. All right. Where's the next one? Oh, wait. Overhead. What's my new word? Overhead. Oh, remember we're not counting them. You're going to say the whole word. So let's try that one again. Overhead. Hold on. Overhead. So you're saying overhead. So Miss Fullington's giving you the syllables overhead, and you're going to tell me the new word all together. Is it like overhead? All right, here's the next one. You ready? Let's practice. Treasure. Okay, treasure. So you would say, would you say treasure or would you say treasure? Treasure. You would say it faster. Okay. All right, here's the next one. Anteater. Oh, try that again. You gotta say it faster. There you go. So you're saying it faster, Miss Fullington saying it slower. Okay. All right, you ready? Science. Good job. All right, here's the next one. Teapot. All right, here's the next one. Bedspread. All right, here's the next one. So let's listen to this one. Unreachable. Oh, try that again. You're saying it slower. Unreachable. It's unreachable. Good job. It's a little tricky, isn't it? Unreachable. It is a long word. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to learn our skill for today. So here's our skill. If you look forward, we actually have it here to remind us in Miss Fullington's desk, but we also have it on the board if you can't see it. So it's text organization. So text organization is usually informational text, which means it tells us facts, right? And it has a structure or a type of organization that fits the topic and the author's purpose. So here it says text organized by cause and effects. Describe how one event leads to another event. So here's an event. The cause is why something happens. So it's the reason. So it rained a lot. That's the cause. What was the effect of it raining? So the effect means what happens or the result. It means, so it rained a lot. So the flowers in the garden, what? Grew or grow, right? So here are some clue words to tell you that it's a cause and effect event. It says because, so, since, as a result, or if, and then. So if I say, if it's hot outside, what's going to happen to my ice cream? Melt. It's going to melt. So it's hot outside is the cause. What's the effect? My ice cream what? Melt. My ice cream melted because it was hot. If it's really cold and you have an ice cream, you'd be cold, but it won't melt. Yep. All right. So I was outside. So I got what? Cold. Itchy. What bites me? Ants maybe, or mosquitoes or grass bugs. Yes, those are itchy. So if it's hot outside or it's like kind of humid, I'm gonna get bit by what? Mosquitoes or ants or something that's gonna bite me, right? Because it's in summer. Or if it's hot outside, what should Miss Fullington wear? Probably some shorts, right? Or here's another thing. If it's raining outside, so I need my what? Umbrella and raincoat. Good job. Or it snowed outside, so Miss Fullington needs her what? Her snowsuits or jacket, hat maybe, gloves and boots. Yep, hot cocoa. Miss Fullington probably may need some hot cocoa. Yeah. Hocus pocus. 1, 2, 3. All right. So we are ready to move on to it's not a story, it's a video. It's a short video. So we're going to need to turn our attention to the screen right here. So Harlow, go ahead and turn off our lights because we're going to see the video and we need it to be clear. There we go. Perfect. All right. So we are going to prepare to view. Sometimes most of the time we say prepare to read, but we're preparing to view those clever crows. So the genre study, what type of genre study is this going to be, Harlow? Yes, but what is the genre study? Right here there's bold word. There's a bold word. A video. It's a type of video. So it's a short movie that gives us information or something for you to watch for enjoyment. So as you watch those clever crows, notice how pictures, sounds, and words work together, what the video is about, information about the topic, and the tone or the mood of the video, because it could be a sad video. It could be a very happy video. It could be a really serious video. So you have to think about the mood and the tone of the video. So right here, it says we're going to set a purpose. It's going to ask yourself what happens and why to make cause and effect connections about the video. So cause is something that makes something else happen. An effect is what happens because of the cause. So we talked about different ones, remember? Like, so if it rains outside, Miss Fullington might need her what? Jacket or an umbrella maybe. So that's the cause and effect example. All right, so let's move forward. We're going to build backgrounds. We need to know what crows are. We know they're birds, but let's see if we know a little bit more about them, okay? So let's listen.
Could not be further from the truth. Crows may be one of the smartest animals in the world. Compared to the size of their bodies, crows have large brains. One fact that shows how smart crows are is that they can use tools. Research has even shown them using tools to solve problems. Keep an eye on the crows in your neighborhood. They just might amaze you.
One crow got attacked by my dog. His name
Oh, no. All right, so we're going to go ahead and watch the video. So let's go ahead and watch the video. So it says here, I'm waiting. So it says here, media, those clever crows. Are crows clever?
Yes.
Okay, so you decide. Watch the crow's behavior. Think carefully about how the words help you understand what the crows are doing. What do you think those crows must be thinking? So let's watch the video to find out.
Everyone knows crows are smart. They recognize faces, they can make and use tools. But how smart and how do they learn? That's where one of Aesop's fables comes in. It's the one about a thirsty crow that dropped stones in a pitcher in order to raise the water level so it was high enough to get a drink. Seems unlikely. But in fact, experiments have shown that New Caledonian crows, once they're trained to pick up and drop stones, which is not something they do a lot in the wild, can figure out this problem pretty quickly. They use the stones to raise the water level to get a piece of floating food. Some other kinds of birds can do this too, and humans, once they reach about age 5. In this latest set of experiments, the crows showed some new tricks. They picked out sinking over floating objects to raise the water level, and solid over hollow objects. They didn't do well with wide versus narrow tubes. And if part of the whole tube apparatus was hidden, then they weren't able to figure it out. So it seems that crows really need to see the cause and effect in order to understand the problem. What's the moral of the story? More research is needed, of course, in order to figure out exactly how crows learn and think.
All right, so did y'all decide? Are crows, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Are crows smart? Yeah, remember, thumbs up or a thumbs down. Yeah, they're super duper smart. Did you see how the crow at the very end used the stick to get the food out of the hole? So I never thought that crows were that smart. You don't think they're smart?
No.
Why not?
I did. Because I never seen them. They never.
You saw them in the video. So did you think those crows were smart?
I saw one be smart.
Yeah.
Flew by me and took my peanut butter. Yes.
Sometimes you gotta be careful with them crows. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you in Seesaw what you're going to be doing for today. Oh, you know what we forgot to do? We did not go over our words that describe actions. So let's go do that before we do our Seesaw activity. Oh, tighten it. Mackenzie, you need to be sitting at your desk, sweetie. There you go. Okay, words that describe actions. You want to pay attention to this one because this is part of our assignment. So make sure that you're not on your iPad. So it says verbs are actions. So what are verbs? Actions. So the motions. They describe exactly what someone or something is doing. So it says look up verbs you do not know in the dictionary. So here are some examples. We have Minnie dashed past the hikers. So what did Minnie do? So she dashed. What does that dashed mean? Really what? She's running really fast. So number 2 says he climbed the hill. So what did he do? Oh. Okay, we'll keep an eye on you. All right, so he climbed. So can you show me the motions with your hands that are climbing? That's an action. So it says number 3, at the top, a deer was nibbling on the grass. So what is the action? Nibbling. So they're eating the grass, right? That's the action. All right, here's another one. Minnie looked at the beautiful view. So what did Minnie do? Looked. So give me the action of looked. So she's looking at the view. Another one, it says, the hikers hobbled along the trail. So what does hobbled mean? We learned that. That's one of our power words. That they walk in an uneven way, right? So that means he was like hurt, right? Good job. So everybody have a seat. So this is what our little activity is going to be about. So in Seesaw, under activities, I actually gave you the poster right here again, so it can help you. It says, please complete the page using the T tool. Please press the green check mark when you are finished. This is for a grade. Oh, so we need to make sure we give our best effort on this. So it says here, words that describes actions. Here are our describing our verbs. Are you ready? So here's the word bank. It's giggled, tumbled, pushed, turned, sleeps, wiped. So the triangle gives you the instructions. So the instructions say complete each sentence using an action word from the box. Use a dictionary if you need help. So it says here, my cat blank next to me at night. So what would be my action word? Sleep. So I'm going to press the T tool and I'm going to say sleeps. And where am I going to put this? On the very first one. Guys, make sure that you do the bottom square too. It says write a sentence using a verb from the word bank. So if you use the word already, you can use it again for the sentence right here. So you're going to make up a sentence with one of the word bank words right here to put down here. Okay? So if you're ready to start, you may do so. Emery or Melanie, do y'all have any questions on the lesson?
No.
No? All right, girls, y'all may get off the Google Meet and go to your seesaw, okay? We will see y'all tomorrow. Bye.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
You're welcome.